Jupiter isn't blocking your blessings. It's guiding you to slow down, reflect, realign your belief before your next big step. From November 11, 2025 till March 11, 2026, Jupiter, the planet of wisdom, knowledge, faith, and growth, moves backward in Cancer to Gemini. Cancer is a sign of emotions, home, and heart. When the planet goes retrograde, it looks like it's moving backward from Earth, but actually it's coming closer to Earth and it's little bit slow down. But astrologically, this means its energy turns inward, a time for reflection, inner learning, and healing. Before I start, what does this mean? If you don't subscribe my channel yet, please do that so you will get this kind of more videos and it motivates me to place this kind of videos for you. Normally, Jupiter brings expansion, luck and forward motions. But during retrograde, Jupiter wants you to slow down, look within and find meaning behind your choice. You may question your belief, goals, or spiritual path, not to confuse you, but to help you discover your true direction. It's not a bad luck, it's soul checking. Ask yourself, what do you really believe now? What makes you feel secure? And what you following, your truth or someone else's? Jupiter rules knowledge, education, wisdom, philosophy, religion and faith, moral truths and ethics, teachers, mentor and guides. When Jupiter is retrograde, all these areas are under review. You may rethink your studies, spiritual views, or who you listen to. It's also common to see debates or confusion around religion and belief system, both personally and in the world, as a people search for what feels true. Jupiter in Cancer. Cancer is a ruled by moon, which connect to our heart and emotions. So Jupiter in Cancer asks you to reflect on what really nourishes your soul, not what just looks comfortable. Again, ask yourself what truly feels like home, who make you feel emotionally safe, or where am I giving too much or expecting too much from others? This is your time to build strong emotional boundary and inner peace. While Jupiter is retrograde, it connects beautifully with Saturn and Neptune in Pisces. Saturn help you stay grounded and patient, reminding you that slow growth is still progress. Neptune strengthens faith, intuition, and spiritual vision, reminding you to trust life's timing. Together, they say, what you nurture will bloom, but it will take its own time and it will give you result on divine timing. So trust the timing. During this same period, many other planets are retrogrades like Mercury, Uranus. Mercury will bring delays, confusion in communication, and deeper thinking. Help you rethink your words, plans, and mindset. While Uranus brings inner changes and surprise that shakes your comfort zone, pushes you to think differently and break old habits. When so many planets are retrograde together, it can feel like the world is slowing down, but this is the universe way of helping us reset, realign, and rebuild stronger foundation. This is not chaos, it's preparation for a big growth. This transit may actually feel more natural to the ones who already have Jupiter retrograde in their birth chart because these people already know how to trust their inner voice. They think deeply, believe differently, and don't follow the crowd. This time could bring second chance, emotional healing, and personal breakthrough. This is a very powerful time for the people who is already having Jupiter retrograde in their chart. What to do during this time? Reflect on your old habits, emotions, and goals. Journal, meditation, or study something that inspire you. Reconnect with the people or project that still feel right to you. Take time for your self-care and inner growth. Let go of what no longer feel true to you gently. Don't rush for any big decisions. Don't force for results. Don't argue over beliefs. Listen and observe instead. Jupiter retrograde teaches that real faith begins with everything slows down. It's not about losing blessings. It's about learning to hold them with maturity and wisdom. By the time Jupiter moves forward again in March 2026, you will be stronger, calmer, and more aligned with your purpose. The universe isn't saying no, it's saying not yet. Learn, heal, and prepare. Please do subscribe to my channel. Bye. Stay blessed.